Good morning, everybody. How we doing? It's Miss Barb. Okay, I am going to share with you guys how I make my cold brew coffee. Now, y'all know in my shop, I have this system. You can pick between a 32 ounce or a 64 ounce. I have the 32 ounce one. It comes with the jar, the filter, and the lid that's on this one. Okay, so this is what you get plus your lid. So fill it up about 3/4 of the way full of water. Then take any coffee that you like. This is a nice one. Okay, the Dunkin' Caramel Me Crazy. It's got a nice caramely flavor to it. And you can pick it up anywhere. Okay, I've seen it everywhere. It's also in my shop, in case anybody's interested. Now, so you take this, and then get yourself your scoop, whatever you want to do. I do 3 great big spoons like this. Now, if I'm using my one that I have in my little container, then I use 4 because I have a scoop in there and I measure it with the scoop. I kind of eyeball it out of this. So you get 3 nice, great big tablespoons. I mean, they are like heaping there. And then you got it like so. You got your coffee grinds in there, and then just mix it. Make sure that you do stir it up. And the reason for that is you want to make sure that your coffee grinds, some people are calling them beans, are nice and wet. Because if they're not wet, then what happens is your coffee, your wine my coffee's not strong enough. It's too weak. I don't like that bread. Get all your beans wet. Okay, get all your beans nice and wet, stir it around, and then finish filling it up. So what we're doing here now, we're filling it up. And then when it's full, you just put it up, just set it on your countertop, set it in your fridge, whatever you want to do. All right, there we go. Now see, it's kind of fuzzy looking right now, but I promise you, after it settles down and it starts brewing, see how nice and dark and rich this one is? Now, we put a fresh one on because I'm going to make a profit here in just a little bit, and I'm going to use the end of that. So now, I'm ready for tomorrow. Okay? And of course, I have this coffee, which is I only have 2 cups of coffee. My cups are big. Okay? So there you have it, folks. That is how you make cold brew coffee. So you can set it on your countertop. You can set it in your refrigerator, whatever you want to do. Any brand of coffee that you want to use. This is just what I'm using this morning. Okay? Any brand that you want to use. That's what you do. So there we go. We got it. We'll just let it set right over there. And then we'll take the lid that I had. I just took the lid off of this one. We'll take the lid off of this and put it on this one and stick it in the fridge. So there you have it, folks. Coffee. I hope you guys have a fabulous, fabulous day. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them. And remember, Mama says, if you have nothing nice to say, don't say anything at all. Bye, everybody.